Basically, we started 30 years ago, Roger and I, as apprentices. And then 20 years ago, we both set up Romak. Since then, it's grown to 16 staff, including drivers. We only started with 2 dentists, I think. And then since then, we work for over 200 dentists around South Wales and some Scotland and around the country. We construct dentures, so 99% of our work is prosthetics, which is dentures. We do the odd gum shield, bleaching trays and night guards, but most of our work is denture work, and we do flexible dentures as well. Most of the staff have been here minimum, let's say 10 years. We all work well as a team. If someone's struggling, we all help the other person with their workload or everything else, and we usually all help each other quite a bit.
I'm Rob Fulcher, I'm 39, and I've been working at this dental lab for the last 19 years. It's nice when we have some patients come in, they've heard that they've had their denture made by us, and sometimes they come in to say thank you. We thought about what it would be like for them to have an appliance. You've got to keep the patient in mind at all points.
So I had a phone call this morning and the patient was crying because the teeth look so nice and natural after 5 years of having the wrong teeth. The best part of my job is to make a difference to people's lives. To being part of ALS, you've got the backing of other labs and funding to help grow your laboratory to the next level. We've bought 3D printers and we are looking forward to going on the journey with ALS towards 3D dentures and printing other appliances.
I can see what ALS are trying to do. I can see the scope for the future. And I think it's just going to be great for all dental technology across the board.